So hi guys, what's up all? So today we are going to know how to put your MacBook on shutdown. So this is the step-by-step guide how you can shut down your MacBook. So just firstly go on Apple icon. Now after clicking it you can see here three options: sleep, restart and shutdown. By clicking on sleep you can put your MacBook on sleep, and by clicking on the restart button you can restart your MacBook at any moment. But we have to know how to shut down. There is a third option, shutdown. Just click on it. After clicking on it, here's a pop-up comes. Now you can see here a countdown start of 59 seconds. After 59 seconds your MacBook shut down automatically, but here is an option to reopen Windows when logging in. So that means when you log in, the windows are open or working on the background, automatically open when you log in or turn on your Mac again and again. This will save your time by reopening again and again your windows when you log in. So it's automatically open your windows. If you don't want to do anything or clear desktop, so just uncheck it or just click on the shutdown button. After clicking, your MacBook shut down automatically. And if you find that information worthy for you, so please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and like the video. Hope you love the video. Thanks for watching this guys.